Welcome to English Quizler. Today, we got a fun quiz to test your skills. Do you think you know when to use I and when to use me? Even native speakers get this wrong all the time. You'll see two sentences, and you have to choose which one is correct. Make sure to subscribe for continuous English learning. Ready? Let's dive in. Use smarter than I, because after then we compare subjects. It means smarter than I am. Use between you and me, because after a preposition, we need me. Use John and I, because it is the subject of the sentence. Use Sarah and me, because they invited us. It is the object. Taller than me is correct in modern, everyday English. Use David and me, because after to we need the object form. Use my brother and I, because we are the subject of the action. Use Alex and me, because the tickets were given to us. Use older than I, because it means older than I am. Use Tom and me, because between requires the object form. Use as ready as he, because it means as ready as he is. Use Mark and me, because the photo belongs to us. Use harder than I because it means harder than I do. Use Sam and me because she waved at us. Use my friend and I because we're the subject of the sentence. Use for you and me because after for we need the object form. Use faster than I because it means faster than I do. Use Lucy and me because the teacher praised us. Use stronger than I because it means stronger than I am. Use Anna and me because the story surprised us. Use as tired as I because it means as tired as I am. Use Peter and me because the manager asked us. Use taller than I because it means taller than I am. Use Sarah and me because the coach congratulated us. Use better than I because it means better than I do. Use like me because after like we need the object form. Use John and me because he smiled at us. Use Emily and me because the guide spoke to us. Use you or me because the action will not stop us. Use Jack and me because after with we need the object form. How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.